Got something to say about subscribers, thumbs up, the views, and all. Well, YouTube just changed our algorithm yesterday about you have to have so many watch hours, like 8,000. You have to have 10,000, whatever. It don't matter. But if you want these small channels to stick around, you need to start liking their videos, thumbing them up, and moving the algorithm up, or you're going to lose all your small channels and everybody's just going to give up and forget about it. Because if they're not going to get paid, they're not going to even make a video. Now this is going to be interrupting a lot of small channels. And you still need 1,000 subscribers, yeah. But if you're not going to get paid, why would you want to make any videos? Y'all let me know that. Now, I've not had a payday in 2 months. None. And every day I'm losing subscribers or I'm losing something. And my videos is not being pushed out. I can watch all day long at somebody else's house and never see not one video of mine come up. And I can watch it on my own television and not see one thing get pushed out. You all know I make videos Monday through Friday most of the time and Monday through Sunday most of the time. So please help me out and look for my videos. And when you do find one, will you watch it, double watch it, or whatever, just to try to give me views where I can stay on YouTube. Because if you don't, in February, I can't guarantee I'll be back on here, because you have to have so many views now to stay on there. Like 10,000 or more. And shorts, I think it's like 8,000. And then you still have to have the subscribers. And if you want these small channels to stay around, you need to help them out more. I'm sorry you have to keep saying subscribe, click this, click that, just to get views and whatever. Well, if the views ain't there, you don't get paid anyway. So you got to have so many watch hours every month anyway. Well, they're moving them up. And now all these small channels may not be back on there in February. And if they don't get paid for their views or whatever, or their material that they're putting on, they might not be back on there no more. And, you know, if you're a cooking channel, you got high electric bills and all, just to put out videos. And if you don't get paid, it ain't worth doing it. Now, like I said, I've not been paid in 2 months. It's a shame. And what I was getting paid, I ain't even getting that. And it wasn't much. I think my highest payday was $185. So let me tell you that. And I've been on YouTube for 5 years. So, yeah. Please help me out. Because if you don't, these small channels is going to be gone. Got these people that's getting paid way up there, or got all these views and all these clicks and whatever, they're going to be fine. But these little small channels like cooking channels or just starting channels or whatever, it's going to be gone. And it's all because YouTube is changing their programs of what you have to do in order to get paid. And this starts February the 1st of 2027. So, yeah, help us all out, these small little channels. These like ones that like 250, 200 to 250, 3,000, 300,000 people, they probably fine. But these little small channels like mine, like 1,400, they're not going to be around. Because they ain't getting the views, they're losing subscribers, they're not getting their videos pushed out. And it's been like that for a long time for me. They've not pushed mine out. No. Every once in a while I might see a short on there with me on it. But that's it. I don't get my videos pushed out because I've been at other people's houses and watched for me to be pushed out. Nope, I don't get that. And lot of small channels don't get that neither. So please help somebody out. If you like their channel, please start binge watching. Please give them thumbs up. Subscribe to them if you like them. If you like their content, please give them something to stay around for, or encourage them to stay around, and help them out with their views, help them out with their subscribers, and please share their videos if you like them, and look what they're doing or whatever. If you like any of their things, please push their videos out for them. And you too, please push the small channels videos out, because I know for one, mine's not getting pushed out. I know they're not. I've done everything it says to do from other creators, what to try, what to do and all, and mine's still not doing it. Please help us all out, viewers. Please help all these small channels out, or there's not going to be no small channels to start out with or be around in February. I'm just telling you. Please help us all out. Now, our videos do not get pushed out, these small channels. I know they don't, because I went to other people's houses and watched for mine, and I never do see them. I watched them on my own TV and ain't watched them. I mean, not be pushed out. I might see a short every once in a while with my video on it, but no, it's not being pushed out. And ain't nobody can tell me no different, because I've been hours and hours and hours trying to see one, and I don't never see it. So please help us out. And YouTube, you need to do better about the small channels. You need to do better. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share if you like our content. And please help me out with the views, please. Thank you. The best home cooking on YouTube. Thanks.